Hello developers. Today we are going to build the NFT Slayers Fighting Game. By the end of this video, you will have a working game engine that you can customize and use in your project. An NFT is the digital certificate of ownership of the digital good that is supposed to be made in a limited quantity. Here is the NFT game. Connect wallet using MetaMask and mint your NFT character to fight against incredible monsters all around the meta world. You will build this interesting solution today. We'll be using a Kandi kit to build this solution. So what is a Kandi kit? Kandi one-click install kits gives you a ready-to-deploy solution with a complete source code. You can access many more such ready-to-use Kandi kits on AI, augmented reality, gaming, blockchain, and many more on Kandi. Today, we'll be using a popular Kandi kit on NFT Slayers Fighting Game one-click install kit. This kit is open source with a permissive license, which means you can freely edit, customize, and share your own solution. So let's get started. Over to you, Pooja, for the hands-on walkthrough.
Hello all, hope you are excited to build your own NFT Dungeon Slayers game. So, to build this game, you would need the following. First of all, you would require a development environment of your choice. So, we will choose VS Code. You can go for other development environments. Second, we will be requiring a runtime environment for which we will use Node.js. Third, we would require a Ethereum wallet that can help you mint your characters, basically play the Dungeon Slayer game on the blockchain network. So for that, we will be using our MetaMask Ethereum wallet. Everything that you need is already available in the Kandi kit. So let's get started. So let's start by installing the Kandi kit. Check the description for the link to the installable. This will set up a working sandbox application with all the needed prerequisites and resources. You can download the installer here and follow the instructions listed here. You can now pause this video. First, start the installation of the kit, and once ready, you can hit resume so that we can jump right back into the Dungeon Slayers game. Also, before you can actually play the game, it is important that you download the MetaMask engine, that is the link for which is available here, and we will discuss how you can set up the MetaMask. Also, we will get onto the Rinky Way Faucet Ethereum that will help us to get some Ethereum into our wallet so that we can do some transaction. So let's discuss the setup of the two important dependencies that you would require before you can start playing your Dungeon Slayers game, along with the kit installation. So let's download the MetaMask extension for Chrome. Click on this link. It will take you to the crypto wallet. So just say download, add to Chrome. Let's add the extension. So once it gets added to the Chrome, like we can see here, it has been added to the Chrome. We can click MetaMask. Then we'll get this get started message. We'll create a fresh wallet if you already don't have one of your MetaMask accounts. If you have, you can import it already. Let's create a fresh one. I would say I agree. I'll press some password. So I will agree to the terms, and then I'll create a password for this MetaMask wallet, Ethereum wallet. You can also secure this wallet by using this secret recovery phrase and all that is being provided. You can watch the video and go ahead and do that. That will be helpful so that you can recover your wallet in case you forget your password, etc. So once you have reached this screen, you further need to set up this for getting, we want to do this on a test network. So I would say show hide network. I'll say show me the test networks. Then I'll go back up. And for this demo or this game, we will be using the Rinky by test network. I will set the Rinky by test network. Also, I currently have the 0 Ethereum in my wallet. This link, which is used for the Rinky by faucet Ethereum, will get to the Rinky by faucet page, which will help us get 0.1 Ethereum for a day. So basically, they provide us this, and we'll have to check whether our wallet got credited or not. Okay. Yeah. So now we can see, you can just refresh your wallets as well. The moment you paste your account and fetch the Ethereum, you will be able to see that your wallet gets this 0.1 Rinky by Ethereum. So with the help of this, now we'll be able to basically play the game, which will be used for minting our characters. So let's get on to the game. You need to get back to the Git, say yes, and the game will open into one of your browser screens. So as we proceed with the kit installation, we will be able to see the Dungeon Slayers game open into our window. To play the game, we will have to connect our wallet. After connecting your wallet, you will be able to see that you will be navigated to the screen with the number of heroes or players that are available for you to mint. So you can mint, say, one of the players of your choice and confirm the debit of the Ethereum from your MetaMask wallet. So we'll confirm it. And this minting will take a little bit of time. So once the minting happens, then we will be able to have an enemy to which we will have to fight. So as we will be able to mint, we will see our character at the bottom with the complete HP. And then to attack, we'll have to again click. So this should be our enemy. That's attack. And for attacking, we will again have to confirm reduction of some Ethereum. And as we confirm, a hit would incur to the Underworld King. So sometimes you see the character image for Underworld King is not displayed. Again, the reason is there are sometimes these network glitches here and there. So let us attack quickly, because as you are attacking, the Underworld King will also attack you back. So we have to quickly confirm the Ethereums getting deducted, and so that the Underworld King also gets this attack from our character. You'd see it has almost killed me in the process, as I was a little late in confirming this transaction here. So we have to make it a little quick. So this has gotten reduced a bit, the HP that Underworld King had. But yeah, once you will get to install this kit and play with it, you'll be able to understand that we have to quickly confirm these transactions over the network. So now it says that Underworld King was hit for 250. Okay, so again, this HP got reduced. We can again do the attack, and similarly, you can play the game. So you can now see that blockchain, since it's on the blockchain network, it takes time to load. Now the image for the Underworld King has completely been loaded. Let's now move to the source part. So as you load your folder, the Dungeon Slayer kit folder onto the VS Code, you will be able to see these different subfolders. So source will be your prime folder, where you can go and get into the app.cs. So this will have your complete design, etc., that you can obviously modify. Other than that, within the app.js, we have the entire code which helps us understand what exactly is going on within the game. So we see that initially within this async, I mean, when it is trying to check if wallet is connected, it is first checking whether our MetaMask is present or not, right? And accordingly, if MetaMask is present, then it will again ask us to check. If we have, it will check for some Ethereum object, right? And after we are done checking for connection to the wallet, next step would be to check the rendering of the different characters as well. So the first thing that is being rendered is this is the image that you can check and change and modify. So this is the dragon's image, right, which is being loaded here. And after we get properly connected, you will see that button on the front screen of the game where it says connect wallet to get started, right? So after that, it is also important, we need to check the connection to the wallet onto a certain test network. So for this use case of Dungeon Slayers, we are using the ring key by Ethereum test network. So that would be checked here within this else if network status condition. And after it has checked and confirmed that we are successfully connected with this test network, then further we need to mint our characters, right? So after the account has been successfully present, and if there's no character present, it will just return to the screen for character. So next is your particular character that you want to mint using the different NFTs. So your arena where your characters etc are loaded, that would be then set with the choice or the character that you have chosen after you have mint using the Ethereum that is available onto your wallet. And yes, successfully the character would be loaded. After that, if you see, once your character is loaded, next step would be, okay, so next step would be based on the different contracts. When you check through, when you connect through the wallet and within the game contract, it is important to execute a transaction. So certain smart contracts that are written are being executed for you to generate that particular, user character. Individually, that character will be present for you. So my particular transaction can then be checked on an ether scan. So on the ether scan, I can, after executing my transaction, where I'll be able to, fight with my enemy or attack my enemy, that will be, again checked within this contracts. And after that, if there is no character found, then no character NFT found message would be displayed. So let's understand how we can customize our code. So to customize our code, what I have done, I've added 2 images in the assets folder and imported them here, where we had this Twitter logo in the assets. We will simply import the knife logo and one more image, which is your, in JPG format. So you can basically install, or I would say download any particular images that you would like to showcase onto the game background. So if I show you, we have customized the game background by adding this different logo here and using a different image for the home page. So these are the 2 images that I have currently stored in my assets folder. After uploading them in the assets folder, we import them here, right? And after importing them here, we also set those 2 images. So within the header gradient text class, we will add the knife logo with some certain width and height and style. And similarly, since we want to display it on the both sides, we'll display it on both the sides of the Dungeon Slayers. Also, other than this, we want to add the home image. So in the home image that you would want to set, you simply add it to the in the render content, get to the scenario 1, and in the scenario 1 where you have the display or the rendering of the home image, simply add this image alt tag, basically call it here so that it could be simply displayed. After you are done making these edits, you can simply load it in the terminal. You can say new terminal and you can say npm start. So as you would say npm start, and the loading of the code happens. So since I've already opened it in one of the ports, it is saying, do you want to open in another tab? So I would say yes. And I will just wait for the display to happen here. Right? So we could see that we are able to successfully make the changes to some of the parts of our game display. Similarly, you can create your own game in blockchain. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. And keep learning.
Hope you found this session useful. You can find the link to the NFT Slayers Fighting Game kit and many other ready-to-deploy kits in the description. Head over to Kandi to build incredible projects on AI, blockchain, augmented reality, and many more. Try out the Kandi kits now. Hit subscribe and join us at the OpenWeaver community of developers and learn to build many more incredible projects. Thank you for watching this session. Until the next one, bye-bye.